Hi everyone. Hi everyone. In this video I am going to show how to simplify this math without calculator. Here 7 to the power 5 plus 7 to the power 4 plus 7 cube plus 7 square plus 7 is equal to what? Is equal to 7 to the power 5 we can write 7 to the power 4 times 7 plus 7 to the power 4 plus 7 to the power cube we can write 7 square times 7 plus 7 square plus 7 is equal to, now taking common 7 to the power 4 to first two term we will get 7 to the power 4 out of the bracket. Here we will get 7 plus here we will get 1 plus taking common 7 square to this two term we will get 7 square out of the bracket. Here we will get 7 plus here we will get 1 plus 7 is equal to 7 to the power 4 times 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 7 square and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to, now taking common 8 to first two term we will get 7 to the power 4 plus 7 square out of the bracket 8 plus 7 or is equal to, this 7 to the power 4 we can write 7 square times 7 square plus this 7 square times 8 plus 7 is equal to, now taking common 7 square, here we will get 7 square plus 1 times 8 plus 7 or 7 square that means 49 times 7 square that means 49 plus 1 times 8 plus 7 is equal to, this 49 we can write 50 minus 1 times 49 plus 1 is equal to 50 times 8 plus 7 is equal to 50 minus 1 times 50 times 8, it will remaining 400 plus 7 or is equal to, here we can write 50 times 400 minus 1 times 400 plus 7 is equal to, 50 times 400 it will be remaining 20,000 minus 1 times 400 it will be remaining 400 plus 7 is equal to 20,000 minus 400 it will be remaining 19600 plus 7 and 19600 plus 7 is equal to 19607 and this is our final answer. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.